In this module, we'll explain how societies determine what to produce, how to produce, and who receives the goods and services produced, describe what the circular flow model is, summarize what a production possibilities curve is, summarize how is economic growth and production possibilities curve related. I recommend watching the videos here, so watch water scarcity around the world and the production possibilities curve. Unlimited, but resources are limited. Households and firms and society as a whole face trade-offs. So you have to choose what you want to spend on. So all societies face the same problem of having to decide what goods and services to produce. Would the economy be used to build more roads and educate more people, or to fight wars and spend more on healthcare? How best to produce goods and services? What is the best way to combine our scarce resources of human and physical capital to produce the maximum output? Who does receive goods and services? Who will get the goods and services that society produces? So this is the circular flow diagram. People work and provide factors of production, then they receive wages, rent, and dividends for that, and then they use that money to buy goods and services, and then that money goes towards firms, and then the firms pay the workers again for their work, and then the workers use that money to buy products and services. So the production possibilities curve is, there's a few assumptions for this. The economy makes only two products. Resources and technology are fixed. All resources are employed to the fullest capacity. So the graph, there are two resources, one resource on the y-axis, one resource on the x-axis, and the economy has to choose what to spend their money on. So if they want to have a combination of both resources, if they want to have only one resource, or the other resource, or a different combination. So under the graph, that means that the economy is wasting resources, while above the graph, the economy can't get there because they don't have the resources yet. We want to be on the graph. That means we're efficient. Ideally, we want the graph to shift out. That means that there's been economic growth or standard of living improvements. So you can have more of each resource. So learning activities, I recommend doing the textbook questions and working through the mind type activities. That's key to being successful. And in this module, you learned about the three economic questions every society faces. The lesson discussed the circular flow model and the production possibilities frontier. You also learned about economic growth and how the production possibilities curve can be used to demonstrate economic growth. Next module, you learn about supply and demand.